Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft 365. We all know that Microsoft 365 is we can use all our favorite apps like PowerPoint, documents, Word documents, and even Excel, PDF, and Copilot in one place only. In this one app, we can all use all our apps that we always use. For example, the PowerPoint, we can click for example, the PowerPoint. Yes, we can click the PowerPoint and like that, blank presentation, and we can insert or we can add things like this. We could also add our topic, which is our topic right now is adjectives. And then what is adjectives? We could put the meaning of the adjectives under the word. Describes nouns such as person, place, thing, animals, or events. And we can add another slide for more info, just like this. We can add pictures of what we want. For example, this one. This one. For example, this is a cat. We can add we can make a sentence that describes an adjectives. The cat is sitting pretty on top of the refrigerator. What is the adjectives? The cat is sitting pretty. The adjectives is the pretty, as it describes the cat. It describes the noun, which is the cat, and we're going to highlight it like that. We can add other slide then as long as we want, if we have any other info to add pa. And then that, we can save it right away. Save as this device, download all documents. And what makes Microsoft 365 more convenient is that we can always use it not only in one gadgets like laptop. We can now use it in our tablets, iPads, and even in phones, which is what makes it more convenient and flexible to use. And yan. And then we can make Excel. Like that. Name, age, birthday, address, birthday. This is just an example. Address, name, Maria, age 15, birthday, December 20, 2025. And then look at this one, the birthday. It automatically compress. Kapag hanggang saan lang yung space, nag-automatic compress siya. Address, Manila. Like that. And save it again right away. without any inconvenience. Save. Next, we can also use PDF. Import in documents. Let's choose a document. Just for example, this one, we can convert it into PDF. This is already PDF na, and then we're going to save it. Save. And automatically it is PDF na. Less hassle na to us, teacher. Okay, now we save it as a PDF. That's all. This is how important or essential Microsoft 365 app to us teachers, especially teachers, as it makes our work more less more at it makes our work convenient na and flexible, as we can all use our favorite apps. Most of the apps that we use for our teaching materials, just like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or PDF, all in one place. More convenient na, and then less space na na-use pa sa ating phone, or any gadgets that we use. That's all.